Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Heather and I have a very exciting surprise to show you guys. So stick around and let's get to it. Today's video is sponsored by Terralax. It's a foot and calf massager. And you guys know I like my massage guns. So I'm really excited to do a review on this product. So I'm not going to show you guys me taking it out of the box because that was like a total fail. I don't know why. I was having such a hard time taking it out of the box, but this is what it looks like. This product is only 13 pounds, so it definitely is very lightweight. Oh, this is pretty neat. So it does come with a remote. So that way, when you're massaging your feet, you don't even have to get up. You don't have to have anybody else get up to do your controls for you. So that's super cool. Let's get this plugged in and see how it does. A couple of things I wanted to go over real quick is the controls. Now, it does have 3 settings. You can do auto, custom, or manual. All of those can also be done on this remote. As you see, auto, custom, and manual. You can also increase your speed, decrease your speed, or the direction of the notes. Okay, so you have your power button, your auto button, your custom button, your manual button, and this is to control your speed, and this is to control the direction of the notes. With these, you can actually unzip them to clean them. And then on the outside, you just wipe it off with a dry rag. This is the manual setting. And then you have 3 different custom settings and 4 different auto settings. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you with me putting my feet in. Oh yeah, that feels nice. So this is good for your feet, your calves, and even your forearms would be good if you guys do like a lot of forearm work. I don't know, pull-ups, grip work. You can definitely feel all the little nodes pushing against your feet. Realistically, this is probably where I would be using this. So my calves are kind of big and they fit pretty snug in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put on auto. Oh, that's nice. I could definitely see this helping a lot if you're like on your feet all day long. Maybe you're doing a lot of walking. It did mention that it does hit all of those reflexology spots on the bottom of your feet. I could definitely use this while I'm watching a show. It is a very strong massager. If you're looking for something that's like barely going to touch you, this is not it. This is definitely going to give you a real massage. I want you guys to really see these nodes working. I think this is going to be perfect for my calves. This mode is going forward and then it stops and reverses. And that's nice, I like that. It's not just one direction the whole time. That definitely feels really nice on my feet. I could sit here all day. Don't forget guys, click those links down in the description below and it will take you straight over to Terralax and you guys can get yourself your own foot and calf massager. Also, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe so you see more content like this. Okay, you guys, let me go ahead and give you my final thoughts on it. I really like it for my calves. I really like it for my feet. It's so nice to have something that gives you a really strong, deep massage on those areas, especially if you're working all day long and you're standing on your feet or if you run a lot. So all in all, I love this product. It's great. Anything that you can use for self-care that's going to relieve your aches and pains and make you feel better is a win. It definitely is, because once you start feeling better, you're gonna wanna do stuff. And if you're just sitting there in pain because your feet hurt from a long day at work, you're not gonna wanna do anything. So this is a perfect product for someone like you, someone like me. Thank you for watching, you guys, and thank you Terralax for sending me this product to review for you. I do appreciate it, and that's all I got for you today. Bye.